morning, guys. So we're on the other side of the Newport Road trailhead. Went up there yesterday, and we are, that was for the southbound slack pack, 15.5 miles. Got that done. Went to the home place last night for dinner. Stayed at 4 Pines. Stayed at the 4 Pines Hostel. It was great. I can highly recommend it. It was pretty quiet. You're in the bunkhouse in the garage, but it was actually pretty quiet. Okay, so today, I'm not sure how far I'm going. I made a damn amateur mistake. And when I was in Blacksburg, I got a full pack out with food. And what I mean by that is 4 nights, 5 days. I don't know what I was thinking. I cannot fathom what I was thinking. Anyway, so Elle joins me on Sunday. Right now, just in Daleville, which is only a day, one night, 2 days away. So why am I carrying 4 nights in 5 days? So anyway, I have probably the heaviest pack I've had on the entire trail. So anyway, sort of a rough start this morning. Just from my own frustration I'm causing myself. But it's all good. The day's gonna be overcast, but the temperature's nice, probably in the low 50s right now. So it's great to actually make time and progress. So it's all good. I am on an ascent, and then we'll be doing a lot of ridge running. Of course, I'm in route to McAfee's Knob, which is the sort of site for today. See those ridges up there? Remember yesterday I was talking about there being like 11 or more of these ridges that you go up, seem to summit something, then you just see the next one. Well, nothing is a more perfect picture than this, because without the leaves on the trees, you can actually see the hillsides. And you can see how they just go up, drop back down to the saddle between them, then up and down and up and down. So that's what we were working with yesterday, and how many of them there are. So I think we're going to do that again today. I think we are in this meadow for a bit, and then we go up the elevation and then run the ridges. So I assume that's exactly what we're going to do. You can see it goes on forever. See, just right off into the horizon, same thing. I'm showing you this picture because how quick quickly things change. Almost overnight. From the warm weather and the rain. Look at this. This is, of course, the sunny side of the hill. You can see that. South-facing hill. But look at that. It is a carpet of green. That's a massive change in our world here this year. So everything's coming alive. I can't wait to see what it brings. How much it changes our attitude, how much it changes our view of the trail. Of course, there's going to be losses. We're not going to be able to see through, you know, those trees to the hills behind. We're going to get more into this green tunnel effect that, of course, others behind us will have throughout most, if not the entirety of their hike. Listen to the birds and everything. So this is cool. This is inspiring. Okay, coming down to the first shelter, I believe. This is the one before McAfee's Knob, so I believe we were just slightly less than 4 miles from McAfee's Knob at the top of this hill. I'm just gonna run down here, make some lunch. It's 11:44. Get some food in me, then go up to the McAfee's Knob, which must be right up along here somewhere. I think this is Mongrel down here, but I don't know. So I don't know the name of the shelter, but 2-night limit. All right, catch you later. This is the approach to McAfee's Knob. Looks like we'll be okay. Started to sock in a little bit there for a bit, but now it looks like it's clearing up. Back to you. Come on, buddy. Give me a war cry. A Highlands yell. Be careful, though. I don't. think this is part of the cliffs, Tinker Cliffs. Maybe the entrance to it. Here's the view from the Tinker Cliffs. Once again, we get very lucky with the views.
Where's that war cry at, Scars?
Freedom! So here's the Lambert's Meadow shelter. It's a nice shelter. So we will stop here momentarily and then check it out.
Look at that.
Okay, well, another night hike and another descent, although this one has been much better than the descent into Pearisburg. This one into Daleville, or Daleville. But it's 20:47 right now, and we have probably half a mile to go before we get there. Fortunately, it doesn't look like we have the mile into town from the trailhead like we had in Pearisburg. That was a complete debacle. This looks like it puts us out pretty close to the middle of town. So we're hoping that that'll go a little easier. So I obviously won't be able to film or video anymore, so I will bid you a good night, and we will see you when we leave. Well, we'll see you. I'm not sure where we're going next because Elle will arrive. And I'm not sure if we'll just start right north of Daleville or whether we will like scoot up and do Skyline Drive or something and then have her bring me back to fill this section. We'll just see. But whatever works best for her and for us is what we'll do. So I bid you guys a good night.